gentlemen, on the way, 7:48 to Hot Springs. I'm on a mission here to check out every hot spring in California. Every single one. Sir. So we're on the way to Wild Willie's. That's actually the name. I know. Wild Willie's, here we come! Woo! So, just woke up. It is currently, well, I woke up about 45 minutes ago. It's like, I woke up at 8. Bike park opens at 9, so we're getting ready to go there. Walking to the car right now. I actually got decent sleep, but yesterday I didn't sleep at all, so I'm very tired. So I'm interested to see how this goes. But, should be fine, and I'm gonna get some good footage.
Search body, flashlight.
Hurry, come on, please. Can I get into the vlog?
No. Shut up back there.